Are you looking for a work from home opportunity? Are you looking for a big brand where you can work for a longer time? Are you a fresher and looking for a good career start, or are you an experienced candidate and looking for a good career growth? So this video is for you because I am going to share three amazing opportunities in this video. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh. So as I said, I'll be sharing three profiles in this video, and the company which is hiring here, the company name is IndiaMart. So IndiaMart is one of the biggest company, one of the biggest e-commerce company, and this company is hiring for fresher and experienced both. So if you're a fresher, in that case also you can get the opportunity, and if you're experienced, for you the job profiles are available with IndiaMart. So all the profiles are work from home, all the profiles are remote profiles, so you'll be getting an opportunity to work from home, and probably these profile will be 5 days working. So each and everything I'll be sharing with you in this video. So please make sure, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, because here I'll be sharing the complete solution to grow with your IT career. If you're looking for a job, or you're looking for internship, or you want to do a course into the technical field, I'll be getting all the information for you. So if you will subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, then only you will get the notification firstly and directly and promptly. So let's get started and let's discuss about the profiles now. So first of all, let's discuss about the profile which is available for the freshers. So you can see here the experience which is required is 0 to 2 years. So that means if you are a fresher also, you can apply for this profile, and the profile is for the assistant product manager. So we call it APM also. So I hope that you guys are aware that the APM profile is one of the highest paying profile, and as a fresher also you are getting an opportunity to work as assistant product manager. And this is a remote profile. You can see here this is completely work from home profile, and you will be dealing with the product team and you will be managing the product life cycle. So your responsibility will be to manage the product life cycle, and you will be dealing with the product team. If you will talk about the education criteria, so if you have done your 10th and 12th and you got the 80% or above, you can apply here. If you're a BTech, CS, IT, and you have completed your full-time MBA with 60%, then you can apply here, and this is completely work from home. Selection process is also mentioned here. So first round will be technical interview round, and the second round will be HR interview round. So guys, there will be two-step interview process, and if you're a BTech, B in computers, BTech, B in IT, and MBA and PGDM, you can apply here. Let's talk about the another profile where you need little bit experience. So this profile is for iOS engineer and iOS developer. So here they need experience of 1 to 5 years. So if you have little bit experience of at least 1 year, you can apply for this profile. Here you will be collaborating with the cross-functional team to define design and ship new features, and you will be working on bug fixing and improving the application performance, continuously discovering, evaluating and implementing new technologies to maximize the development efficiency. So, and if we will see the skills which is required here, that is Swift, Cocoa, Touch, RESTful APIs. So these skills you should have if you want to apply for this job. Educational qualification background, if you will see, so if you are a BTech or BE, in that case you can apply here. Let's move to the third profile, which is for further more experience. This is also a remote profile, and the profile is for Tech Lead, .NET, ASP.NET, Oracle, PLSQL and Business Intelligence. So here you will be interacting with the users to understand the requirement and the business requirement document shared by them. You will be translating the business requirement document into program flowchart for .NET engineers. So basically you will be working on .NET, ASP.NET, Oracle, PL, SQL and Business Intelligence. And if you will talk about the experience, you should have at least 3 to 5 years of experience. And the skills which is required here is CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, HTML and .NET. Also, if you will talk about the educational qualifications, so if you're a BTech B in computers or BTech B in IT, in that case you can apply here. So let's talk about the application process. So I've given 3 links in the description box for all these profiles. So what you need to do is, for example, if you want to apply for APM profile, so you need to click on apply button. So once you will click on apply button, you will see this page. Here you will have to drag your resume, and once you will drag your resume will be uploaded here. You need to mention your name, city, email and phone, and then you can continue. So this will be the process to apply for all 3 jobs. So if you will talk about the salary package, so salary they haven't mentioned, but as a fresher you will get the salary as per the industry, and if you are applying for the profile where they required experience, so they'll be negotiating on your last round salary package. So of course they will give you the salary package which will be as per the industry and as per the profile. So guys, I hope that I've covered the maximum details in this video regarding these profiles, but still if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.